Hello, my name is Annika and welcome back to the Sewing Nook. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this DIY basket cover. For this, you'll need some main material and some elastic thread. Start by measuring the length of your basket and add 4 inches to each side. Then measure the width and add 4 inches to each side. Next, draw a rectangle onto your main piece of material with those measurements. Mark 4 inches to each side of the corners. Then connect those 2 marks with a curved line. Cut that out and hem around the entire thing. Sew a gathering stitch on the curved edges to make it easier to fold. Do this by setting your stitch length to the longest possible setting. Then pull one of the threads slightly to make it easier to fold. Sew around the entire thing, making sure you set your stitch length back to normal. Once you've done that, remove the gathering stitches. Then fold it in half lengthwise and draw a mark 3.5 inches in. Draw 2 curved lines down from that mark and cut it out. Repeat for the other side. Then cut out 2 rectangles from your main piece of material that measure 25 inches by 2 inches. Press it in half widthwise, and then press each side in about 1/4 inch. Fold in both of the ends, and then fold it and press it in half again. Put your main piece of material over your basket and make sure it fits it well and make any adjustments if you need to. Mark the middle of one of the long rectangle pieces. Then, starting at the middle of that long piece, pin it to the bottom of that cutout we made earlier so that it encloses all the raw edges. Sew the bottom edge of the tie from one side all the way to the other, making sure to sew the ends as well. After you've done that, repeat for the other tie. Try it on the basket again and make sure it's a good fit. Then take some string or some trim and tie it around the basket. And using a water erasable pen, draw a mark where the string is. Do this around the entire thing, then take it off, and on that line, sew 3 rows of shearing stitches. To shear fabric, put elastic thread in your bobbin, and it varies for machines, but I change my tension to 3 and my stitch length to the longest possible setting. Make sure you backstitch a couple of times. Take a paintbrush and some water and get rid of those marks. Then use the steam from your iron to shrink the elastic a little bit more. And your beautiful basket cover is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.